Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Schlage Everest in a Mortise. I have picked an LFIC Everest. I've picked a KiK Everest. And now a Mortise. This one does not have a key. I don't think I got that. There we go. Pin 1 was seemed to be dragging up awful high. I must have overset it the first time. And I think I overset that one. Start again. Okay, there we go. Just felt it click over. So use moderate tension, but on lifting the pins, there's some dragging to the pins, and it's just a smooth motion until you feel a click. Then I felt a small set, and then a false set, and then that told me that I was resting on the side pin. And with these Everest, the side pin it's not a sidebar or anything, it's just one simple pin that locks in, so it's pretty easy from there. So this one has an interesting back. It's got a tail piece that has some hex nuts on it. I haven't seen one like this. And it also has an interesting tailpiece. I haven't seen a tailpiece like this before. Doesn't mean they don't exist. I'm going to use a follower because I have no way of spanning that gap otherwise. So I guess it's set in there pretty well. So, but I'm still going to use a follower. Let's see, make sure that I'm lined up well. And let's see if the blue one's going to work. Yeah, I think that'll go. Yeah, the black one's going to be too much. Okay, I'm going to do this without a shim. We're going to chance them. There we go. And I just dropped the side pin because I wasn't paying attention. All right. So the side pin was down here. There is a small spring for it right here. Put that up here. Actually, let's get this so we can look at it. Small spring, the side finger pin there. All right, let's see what we've got in. These should all be just standard. If you ever get a Schlage Everest that has been turned into a challenge lock, it's going to be fun. 5 and 6. So bitting on it doesn't look too terrible. The last pin is snuck up behind a longer pin, but it still wasn't that bad to get to. Everything else doesn't look too bad. And then these are all going to be standard pins on the top as well. But they are kind of challenging. They're very good tolerances, so you gotta get just the right amount of pick pressure on it. And like I said, I was laying in pretty moderate pressure, but with that pressure, it still didn't have a whole lot of binding on the pins. And once you got the right one, it would drag a little bit. You could tell which one would drag, click. So if everything goes smooth, if you've got the right tension on it, the first couple times through, you may not find a whole lot. On this one, pin 1 was pretty high up and it's tucked behind, and it felt like it went pretty high. But it drags, and then click. So it's just drag, click, drag, click. Did that all the way down and got through the pins, and then something wasn't quite set, so it was just a matter of going back through and finding that pin and giving it that last little nudge that it needs. I'm just going to go ahead and dump this last one down and try to find that spring. For some reason the spring is not coming out. Yeah, not sure what the deal was with that, but I'm not getting a spring out of number 5. I'm not seeing one in there either. Interesting. Unless it sprung out on me and I didn't see it go somewhere. Because the pin popped up, so it had to have been there. I don't know. I'm in amazement. So one of the things that I was wanting to check with this, oh, there it is. It was underneath. Underneath of my pinning tray. Yeah, funny. All right. One of the things I was wanting to check out, it has these plugs in it, and I've never seen these before. Don't know what they do. Okay. So maybe they're just, I see. These are the plugs. Oh no, it takes it apart. I thought maybe this held it in the door, which it probably does. They probably go in and hold in, but okay. That's cool. Basically a KiK cylinder inside of a mortise. I have not seen that. That is pretty neat. So you guys may have seen that before. That I have not. It's just like a KiK cylinder thing, and you could put any KiK cylinder in that mortise, I would assume. Huh, that is pretty cool. All right, so again, we'll look at the pins, but there's not much to them. If you've seen a Schlage Everest before, there's no whole lot different here. It's the side pin here with its little spring, and like I said, it just sits in the side channel on this right hand side. And I have a pick that I made. It's very simple. It's just it was a rake actually, and then I took it down to just being a nub. My intent was to use it for kind of getting sliders and side pins, And it works really well for this one. I can just slide it under like a key and it lifts right up. And everything else is just standard. There's nothing there to it. All right. That's the Schlage Everest in a mortise. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.